Hi everyone, I'm Rahul and this is my first video on this channel and I'll be posting such contents, so please do subscribe to motivate me to post certificate related issues and resolutions. Today I'll be helping you to fix the object's properties error while generating the CSR in MMC, so let's start. First of all, open run or type certanger.msc to open user store directly in MMC. Once the MMC user store window opens, select the personal store and right-click on it. Now go to All Task, and under Advanced Operation, select Create Custom Request option, then click Next. In the Enrollment Policies, select Proceed without Enrollment Policy and click Next. On the next page, keep the template to CNG key by default and request format to PKCS10 to generate CSR in CNG. Now we can proceed next to enter the CSR details. With that said, please click Auth Next button to proceed to the next window. Now click on Details drop-down and open Properties window. Give any friendly name. I'm putting Code Sign Test as this is for testing purpose. Now click on the Subjects tab and under Subject Name, select Common Name field and enter any common name and click on Add. Usually we put organization name for code sign certificates in common name. Similarly, select other values such as organization name, organization unit, country code, state, locality and add it. These details will be visible under Certificates Subject extension. Once Subjects field entry has been completed, proceed to Next tab, which is Extension. In the Key Usage, select Digital Signature Key Usage and click on Add. Mark the extension as critical to let applications client know the purpose of the certificate to use the certificate to digitally sign the application. Now go to the Enhanced Key Usage and select Code Signing for the additional purpose of the certificate and keep the critical field unchecked. Now if we go the Private Key tab to set the key size and hash algorithm, we get one or more of the object's properties are missing or invalid error. As I have already found the solution after multiple attempts, I'll walk you step by step on how to fix the issue. First of all, let's check the logs and know the reason for the error. For that, please open Windows Events Viewer. Let's wait for a minute for it to load properly. And then navigate to Windows Logs. And under Application option, check for the latest logged errors. You may refresh it also to get the latest logs, match the time and date also. If you see here, I have got the SafeNet Key Storage Provider was not loaded because initialization failed. This issue could be due to storage provider, any expired certificate or permission issue. In my case, it is storage provider issue, which can be seen in Events Viewer as it is SafeNet Storage Provider not found. But I do not have SafeNet application installed now, so let's troubleshoot what could be the error. Go to Start menu and search for Run. To open Registry Editor by typing regedit. Navigate to the HKEY_local_machine folder. Under it, go to Software, then Microsoft and Cryptography. Go to Provider under Defaults. Check if SafeNet is listed as the default provider and change it if necessary. I'll put all the steps in details as well under video description for you to follow. This issue is very rare, but if you have encountered it, then this video is for you. If you see here, I have Luna HSM providers installed, which is from SafeNet. I have 3 Luna providers, which is from SafeNet. Let's find Luna application and uninstall it to resolve the issue. So let's check under Start menu if I have any SafeNet or Luna software installed or not. As you can see, there is no SafeNet application is listed here. So let's jump directly into C drive. Go to the Program Files folder and under Program Files, look for the SafeNet folder. It should be in bottom. As you can see, I have a folder named SafeNet. And under SafeNet, I have Luna clients. Let's exit the folder first so I can uninstall it without any error. In Windows, search type uninstall or go to Add Remove Programs under Control Panel. Look for the app name SafeNet or Luna. Here I have found it. Let's uninstall it. Once the uninstall dialog opens, please check all the options to fully uninstall it and do not keep any files. Completely remove it, so that providers can be removed from registry and CSR can be generated. Now the Luna client has been uninstalled successfully. You can cross-check if any other SafeNet or Luna client is still there or not. Once this is verified, you can restart your computer or leave it as it is not required. Now let's go to MMC and try once again from Properties tab to see if we can access Private Key tab or not. Now Private Key tab is accessible. Select the key provider you want to have in your certificate or leave the default RSA provider. Nowadays private key size must be in 4096 bits, so keep it to 4096, then select private key to be exportable to create PFX. Select the hash algorithm to SHA-256 and rest to default and click on Apply. Now click on OK and proceed to Next. Keep the base 64 and browse where you want to save the file on your computer. I'll create a new folder on desktop and save it there to manage it better. Open the newly created folder and give a file name for your CSR. Click on OK and on the certificate enrollment window click on Finish to save the CSR. You can check the CSR on the folder where you saved it. Now go to MMC and look for folder named Certificate Enrollment Requests. Under Certificate you will see your self-signed certificate issued on the common name you provided during your CSR generation under Subject field. As it is a self-signed certificate, so the common name and issuer name remains same. If you want to move this certificate to the personal folder, just right-click on the certificate and click on Copy and Paste in Personal folder. So now you have certificate under Personal Store with private key. If you want to export it to PFX, then you can right-click on it and go to All Task. Click on Export. Click Next and select Yes, export the private key on the next window. Please include chain and export with extended properties. On the next page, set the password and choose the password algorithm. Keep the default one only as it is accepted by every application. Go to the next page and browse where you want to save the PFX file. Select the folder where you want to create the PFX and click on Next and Finish to save the file. You can check the PFX file under the folder you saved it. You have now created your code Sign CSR, co-designing SLF Sign certificate and PFX file. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe it and share on public forums to help someone else on the same issue. See you in the next video.